Yes, we can
Yes,
see.
ma'am. Yes.
We have chosen a topic of class from the maths book of class 5. The name of the topic is the name of the chapter is Does It Look the Same? And I have chosen a particular theme, rotational symmetry. And the targeted learning outcomes from this theme is that to understand after completion of this particular class, the children will able to understand the concept of rotational symmetry, and they will able to find the order of rotational symmetry, and as well as the angle of rotational symmetry, and able to draw patterns by using the concept of rotational symmetry. So these are the targeted learning outcomes. So first of all, I will show this video to the children. Just I'm showing for 1 minute. This video is on rotational symmetry, and through this video, they will learn what is rotational symmetry. So by showing this video, we may ask the students that what rotational symmetry is, and they may conclude that if a figure is rotated around a center point and it still appears exactly as it was before the rotation, it is said to have rotational symmetry. And then we can show the this type of pictures to the children and ask what is the order of rotation here. This is the picture of a kite, and after moving in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction in a particular angle, here it is a 90-degree angle, the kite is moving in anti-clockwise direction, and the children may say that order of rotation here it is 1, as after completing an angle of 360 degree, a complete rotation, the kite looks same as the figure 1. That's why its order of rotation is 1. Then in the same way, we may ask the same type of questions by showing the picture of rectangle. Here the order of rotation is 2, equilateral triangle, the order of rotation is 3. Then we may ask what is the order of rotation of a square. They may say 4. Here we can mark one thing that this is the picture of a pentagon, and it has 5 equal sides, and the order of rotation here it is 5. We may ask questions to the children here, and we may mark one thing that in case of a regular polygon, the order of rotation is equal to the number of sides, as well as when we ask the children that what is the angle of rotation, they may say that angle of rotation, rotational symmetry may be which is equal to by dividing the order of rotation with the complete angle. That means the complete angle is 360. If we divide 5, as this is in pentagon and regular pentagon, so we divide 5, each angle will be 72 degrees. So the angle of rotational symmetry here it is 72, and the order of rotation is equal to the number of sides, as this is a regular polygon. Now, by showing this type of pictures, we may ask what is the order of rotational symmetry and what is the angle of rotation here. So they will observe the picture that 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So the order of rotation is here 2, and the angle of rotation is 180 degree. In such a way, we may show them the alphabets also, how they are rotating, and we may ask questions. Then this is another example of angle of rotation 120 degree and order of rotation 3. And this is another type of example where the order of rotation is 4 and angle of rotation is 90 degree. After each 90 degree, the picture looks exactly same. Next, this is another picture, and here uh, they have to find out what is the angle of rotation and order of rotation. Here they have to count the number of order of rotation first, and then they will divide by 360. They will get 45 degree as it has 8 order of rotation. Next, then we may conclude by giving them the definition that what is order of rotational symmetry and what is angle of rotation. Then we may ask which alphabets have rotational symmetry. Children will do by drawing each alphabet A, B, C, D up to Z. They will find out which alphabets have a rotational symmetry actually, and how many alphabets have the order of rotation 1, and how many alphabets have the order of rotation 2. And they will make a table like this, and here some alphabets are given which have order of rotation 2, and except these 6 alphabets S, H, O, N, I, Z, all the 20 alphabets have order of rotation 1, but these 6 alphabets have order of rotation 2. In the same way, for digits, digits with order of rotational symmetry, we may ask which digits have order of rotational symmetry, or they are in they show the rotational symmetry actually. They can say that it may be 0 or 1 or 8. Except these alphabets, all other alphabets are having order of rotation 1, as they will be look same after completing it angle of 360 degree. Next, by we may give the concept of pattern also. Here is a question. Some patterns are given below. On the left hand side of the red line for each pattern, and write the rule, that is anti-clockwise or clockwise, and which turn it is, in which turn it looks same, or then they will choose what comes next from the right side of the line and tick it. So in the first case, by looking the picture, by looking the pattern, the children will identify that which picture will come next. It is, and they will find the rule whether it is 1/4 turn clockwise or anti-clockwise in such a way. Then these are a Google form question I have designed, and um, children may be assessed that what is the order of rotation for the given picture. They will click on the correct option, and which alphabet has the order of rotation 2. Then what is the angle of rotational symmetry for the given figure. This is a circle, and they have to say whether it is 45 degree or 90 degree or 180 or any angle, and the answer will be here any angle, as this is a circle, and at any angle it looks same. If we rotate whether it is in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, always it looks same. Then what is the angle of rotational symmetry of a rectangle in anti-clockwise direction? This is I have asked this question to that children, maybe they are used to rotate things in clockwise direction, but when it is asked in anti-clockwise direction, I think they might have a thought in their mind whether it will be 180 or 90. Then in which turn angle of rotational symmetry is 120 degree. Options are given: half turn, 1/4 turn, 1/3 turn, and 1/6 turn. Here children have to think first that what they have to do, and I have while presenting the PPT, I have given a formula that angle of rotational symmetry is equal to complete angle by the order of rotation, and by using that formula they can find out whether it is a half turn or 1/4 turn or 1/3 turn or 1/6 turn. Then in 1/8 turn, angle of rotation is dash. They have to find out that in which turn the angle of rotation is in 1/8 turn the angle of rotation will be what? And this is another question: what is the order of rotational symmetry for a square? So these are the way presented by J. Bhuvneshwar madam. Thank you.
Ruchi ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the presentation, and it was nice. Just a few feedback points I would like to give. I really liked your idea of taking different types of shapes, and I also like the idea of taking different letters and alphabets which students can use. I was just thinking, if would it be possible for them also to identify a few things in their environment, also in their daily life also, and can also think about their own about symmetry, about that, and can perhaps draw it and also submit. So then it will give them more opportunity to identify something on their own of what is what things have symmetry, and to share it with the whole class. So that kind of opportunity can be there. And also, if one doubt I had about the concept of angle. So I'm not aware to what extent students understand the concept of angle at fifth standard, and whether they will be able to understand more than 180-degree angle and all that. So perhaps you can help me understand that. And there are also different other shapes can also be taken. I mean, if you can explore these sites, for example, just let me. I mean, if all people can try, suppose there is a square and you have to draw a line of symmetry in such a way that it cuts it exactly into half. So what are the different ways which are possible? Is only one way possible, or there are different ways which are possible?
Different ways
Three
are
ways, ma'am.
possible. Four.
3 ways are possible, ma'am.
How many ways?
Four.
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 Sorry, somebody
Four.
was saying 3 ways.
Four.
Ma'am,
Four.
vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. Right?
Okay.
Diagonal.
I'm same.
Vertical, horizontal, and diagonal.
So I'm saying
Diagonally, horizontally, vertically.
Okay, because they are only thinking in traditional way. Can you see this one? Can you see this? Hello? I'm not sure if my video is.
Yes, visible,
Madam,
madam.
please
Visible.
lift it up, madam.
Okay. I can't see my
Yeah.
video, therefore. Can you see?
Right. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Is it symmetrical?
Yes, madam.
Is it symmetrical or not?
Yes.
Yes,
Needs certain effort to make it symmetrical.
We
Needs
can't
certain
exactly
effort.
fold it along the line to get symmetry. You need to superimpose one on the other.
no, ma'am, not symmetrical.
Not symmetrical. Okay. There are certain people who are saying it is symmetrical. Can they say why? Why it is symmetrical? I am sure there were people who were saying it is symmetrical, right? So can they say why?
It's not visible, madam. It's not visible.
It's not visible. I'm so sorry. I can't see my video at all. I don't know how to. Can I use a?
You can just hold it little.
अभी दिख रहा है?
Yeah.
अभी दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
It's because I
हाँ,
can't
yes,
see my own video somehow.
थोड़ा सा
And I
ऊपर,
was there.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर.
Yeah.
अभी?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Is it symmetrical or not?
No, it's not symmetrical.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It is not symmetrical. Not symmetrical. Superimpose, we cannot say. We have to superimpose.
The basic definition of symmetrical is mirror halves, and it is not looking like.
It is not symmetrical, madam.
But if you keep a mirror here, then what will happen? You just
No,
If
it is not symmetrical. You will
Yeah,
get it
it
the
not
other way.
it
It is
will
not
not superimpose.
symmetrical.
Yes.
It's not symmetrical, sir, madam.
No, if we superimpose, then it can be symmetrical.
if this portion and you rotate it and bring it like this, it will completely superimpose. Right? It will completely superimpose.
We have to cut
That is
it.
if you turn it. If you turn it.
If you turn it, yes.
But
Yeah.
ma'am,
If you turn it, it is
But ma'am,
superimposable. Just like our hand.
after
Just like our
folding
hand.
along the line, it will not coincide with each other.
It will not?
Coincide
Yeah.
with each other, ma'am.
Okay. So are they? Okay. Any other views? Any other views? Hello? Okay. I think there is so I would just want you to all to think that are there any other ways of also making it symmetrical, or are we thinking of only some traditional ways of having the symmetry? Because there can be many other ways. There are different ways of making halves, and there are different ways of making things which can be symmetrical. That is the only point I wanted to emphasize here, and also the point about the angle itself. So we will move on right now, and we will come back to the discussion if you feel the need, because otherwise I think we will spend extended amount of time on discussing different things. Okay. And I would just want you to, ma'am, also explore a little bit more on this area. And I'm sure you will find, I mean, what you have prepared is quite interesting, and I'm sure you can also do a few more things in that. Yeah. So we now move over to the next group. I'm not sure how much time, how many groups are there, and how much time does each group get? And how much
Five groups, we have given them maximum 10 minutes, minimum 10 minutes.
Okay, 5 groups are there, maximum 10 minutes. And so I should be having something like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, or I may take, at most I will take 5 minutes.
Okay,
Yeah.
you can take.
Yeah.
No issue.
Okay. Okay. I will take at most, I will try to take at most 5 minutes, not more than that, and we will continue. Okay, over to the next group, please. Srinivasan sir, next group.
Yes, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh, sir.
Chandigarh group, please. Chandigarh group.
Okay, sir.
Kavita, madam.
Let me present the screen, sir, first.
Is it Chandigarh?
Yeah, Chandigarh, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Parihar sir is presenting now.
So these are the. Is it visible, sir?
Your presentation is not visible.
Is it visible now?
Continue.
Parihar sir, it takes time, sir.
Continue. Visible.
Good evening, everybody. I am Mr. D.S. Parihar from Kendriya Vidyalaya Kashipur and representing GEAT
सर
Chandigarh.
रोटेट कर दीजिए सर, रोटेशन ऑन कर दीजिए सर, तो ये पूरे स्क्रीन पे आ जाएगा.
Rotation 1 minute. Huh? Is it okay now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Now, see, we have taken lesson number 2 from class 1. And the name of the chapter is Numbers from 1 to 9. This chapter is to be completed in 7 sessions. So, I am taking the first session. In first session, competency that we are taking is knowledge and understanding of concepts. Expected learning outcomes will be student will be able to learn counting, recognize and speak numerals 1 to 9 in correct sequence. There are some suggested activities also related to this topic, and the link related to those activities are also pasted here. In suggested TLM, we have taken some flashcards for the representation of these numbers, and these flashcards will be used to complete the suggested activities. Some e-resources also we have taken, and the links are pasted there. In this e-resource, I would like to show one that is related to Diksha portal, and I'm going to this Diksha app now. Is it opening, sir?
Opening, sir. Okay.
So in this, see, this is a video from Diksha app that will help the students to learn about the concept that we want to build, and along with this, the teacher will also take classes through life-size Google Meet, and the doubts that are to be cleared will be cleared through this online session. Now the assessment part. In assessment part, we have there are some questions that we have put. For example, how many fans are there in your house? So the student will go to each room and will count and will tell during the live session. And along with these assessments, we are going to give a Google form also, quiz through Google form, that I will like to show you. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes. Through this, the student will tell the name, section, and now see, this is the question. A picture has been pasted and number of fish. The student will just select the number that he feels is correct. Same way, there is another question related to letters, and now there is a missing question, missing number in this sequence. Fourth one, a birthday cake having candles, and number of candles are to be selected, and how many family members. So this is very much interesting because students, this is picture based, so students feel it very comfortable while answering it. Few games are also prepared which are almost interactive in nature. and that will be presented by Kavita ma'am. Kavita ma'am, over to you. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all. Today, as Sandeep sir has discussed about the word wall, so I have prepared two game. One is the quiz and one is the interactive worksheet. What ma'am has explained in the morning session. So परिहार सर आप अपना प्रेजेंटिंग बंद कर दीजिए ताकि मैं प्रेजेंटिंग कर सकूं।
कर दिया मैम, कर दिया।
आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? ऑडिबल हूँ नहीं?
Yes, yes,
मैं
yes.
ऑडिबल हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, now I'm presenting my game which I have prepared in word wall, and it is an interactive worksheet, and it is in the Delhi region. We are using it for the children for our e-classroom.
एक्चुअली मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा। आप शेयर कर रही हैं क्या अभी या शेयर करना है?
शेयर कर रही, अभी नहीं किए, क्लिक करेंगी।
अच्छा, अभी
ओके ओके
Ma'am, it will take time because of some net issues. I don't know why. Ma'am, I have given the name for this interactive worksheet. Let's match it, and it's a game like worksheet where you can see the leaderboard, everything. I have some
Kavita, it is not visible.
Not visible. Not visible.
You are not sharing. Share it again.
सर वो अभी घूम ही रहा है, पता नहीं है, अभी शाम होते होते पूरा नेट खत्म हो जाता है, so it takes time here. Even the buffering is,
You can explain the game.
it is not showing, sir.
Not showing, please explain the game.
नहीं दे रहा है?
नहीं,
Okay, okay. Sir, now
It's not showing, please explain it.
can it
No, please explain the game. No.
किसी दूसरे को भेज दीजिए, वो एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे।
Srinivasan sir.
No. That's why I'm telling you, please explain it.
दिखाई दे रहा है अभी?
नहीं है।
Visible है? Hello?
नहीं।
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So
Nothing. Nothing is visible.
No problem, sir. Please wait. Let her explain it. You continue. Kavita madam, continue.
sir, screen दिखाई नहीं दे रही है?
नहीं है, आपने explain
Okay,
कर
go.
दो।
So just a moment.
काफी explain it.
मैंने आपको क्लासरूम में आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया। कोई बात नहीं, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ अभी सर।
कर लो जल्दी।
ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन। इट्स अ वर्ड वॉल गेम है। ओके, हाँ, ये वर्ड वॉल में मैंने एक गेम बनाया है जिसमें मैंने कुछ पिक्चर्स लिए। यस सर, आई एम ऑडिबल। मैंने लेट्स मैच इट का नाम दिया हुआ है और मैंने सेंड किया। इसमें मैंने पिक्चर्स डाले हैं और नंबर्स डाले एक जगह। तो बच्चे क्या करते हैं, वो पिक्चर्स लेते हैं और उसमें स्कोरिंग होती है। जो बच्चा जल्दी से करता है उसके लीडर बोर्ड भी बना हुआ है, हर एक को टाइम दिया हुआ है और बोनस पॉइंट्स भी है। तो उसके हिसाब से हमने ये गेम इंटरेक्टिव वर्कशीट बनाई है। और सेम वर्ड वॉल में एक क्विज गेम है जिसमें मैंने 5 क्वेश्चंस डाले हैं, पिक्चर्स दिए हैं और नंबर डाला है। तो बच्चा क्या करता है कि नंबर देखता है और पिक्चर्स को देखकर क्लिक करता है कि वेदर इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग। और जब ये कर
कविता मैम की आवाज नहीं आ पा रही है। ऐसा करता हूँ कि मैं मैम दिखा दे रहा हूँ वर्ड वॉल, थोड़ा सा वेट कर लीजिए।
संदीप कंटिन्यू।
प्रेजेंटेशन हो गया सर?
हो गया, दिखा दिया।
संदीप सर।
सर आई एम हैविंग अ नेट इशू।
संदीप सर माइक ऑफ है आपका, माइक ऑन करो।
संदीप अनम्यूट करके बात करो।
ओके, यस यस। जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, मैडम ने ही भी ऐसा ही कुछ डिजाइन किया है। मैडम ने इसी तरह का गेम डिजाइन किया है। वैसे ये बहुत सारा गेम वैसे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट भी अवेलेबल है, लेकिन आप भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं इस टाइप के गेम। ये कम्युनिटी है और इस कम्युनिटी में आप देख सकते हैं कि आप यहाँ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ गेम है और आप कोई भी सर्च कर सकते हैं। जैसे आप फ्रैक्शन ले लीजिए, या मैडम ने वर्ड वाला गेम किया, तो फ्रैक्शन ही हम ले लेते हैं। एक फ्रैक्शन ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल है नेट पे, और आप अपना क्रिएट भी कर सकते हैं। इस कम्युनिटी में जाने से आपको बहुत सारे गेम्स मिलेंगे। जैसे ये आप देख लीजिए, फ्रैक्शन पे हमने एक सेलेक्ट किया फ्रैक्शन गेम, और मैं ऑनलाइन देख सकता हूँ कि कितने बच्चों ने कंप्लीट किया इस सेशन को, पूरा सेशन को। तो इसमें हम अपने अनुसार, सुविधा अनुसार इसमें टेम्पलेट भी चेंज कर सकते हैं। ये देखिए आपके सामने गेम आ गया है फ्रैक्शन बेस्ड, और इसको आपको लगता है कि क्लास 5 के लेवल का है या नहीं है, उसको चेक करना है, तो पहले आप चेक कर सकते हैं। ये देखिए स्टार्ट आप करेंगे, इसमें साउंड भी आएगा, बहुत ही प्यारा साउंड इसमें ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है। आप देखिए लेवल 1, और इस लेवल को आप चेंज भी कर सकते हैं अपने सुविधा अनुसार। अगर चाहें तो आप लोग भी खेल सकते हैं। मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ, चैट बॉक्स में शेयर कर रहा हूँ। देखिए ये है फ्रैक्शन गेम है, ग्रेटर देन 1। इसको पॉप करना है बलून को, जो सही आंसर होगा वही पॉप होगा। यस, मैंने सही आंसर सही दिया, तो मैं लेवल 2 में चला गया। अब ऑटोमेटिकली लेवल 2 में चला गया। ऐसा ही अब फिर ट्रेन आएगा, उसमें क्वेश्चंस लिखे रहेंगे, आपको पॉप करना है, जो सही आंसर है आपको पॉप करना है। और इस गेम को आप अपने
सर ये गेम
जी
आपने बनाया पहले से ही बना जानना चाहते हैं, या आप
पहले
वर्ड वॉल इसमें ऑलरेडी थाउजेंड ऑलरेडी पहले से हैं। हाँ मैम, सुन सकता हूँ मैम।
तो आपने
पहले
ये
से गेम है, आप क्रिएट भी कर सकते हैं यहाँ क्रिएट जा करके। यस 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 मैम, ये कम्युनिटी जैसे है, कम्युनिटी में जाके
ये जो फिलहाल आप दिखा रहे हैं,
यस मैम, ये ऑलरेडी सॉफ्टवेयर में है, पहले से है। ये मैंने बनाया नहीं है, मैंने चूज किया बस। आप किसी भी टॉपिक को लेकर के आप चूज कर सकते हैं। ऐसा ही कविता मैडम ने बनाया है, ऐसा ही खुद उनका अपना क्रिएट किया हुआ है, जो अभी चल नहीं पाया इस पर कुछ कनेक्टिविटी के कारण। आप इसको चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, इसको क्रॉसवर्ड भी क्रॉसवर्ड में अगर टेम्पलेट चेंज करना चाहे तो सेम क्वेश्चन का टेम्पलेट चेंज हो जाएगा।
ये कविता मैडम का बना हुआ वर्कशीट है, ये मैच करना है। ये इंटरेक्टिव बनाया हुआ है।
अगर इसको चाहें तो मैं शेयर कर सकता हूं, आप भी खेल सकते हैं, तो बच्चे साथ साथ खेलेंगे और हमें उनका
संदीप
रिजल्ट
सर।
मिलता जाएगा। जैसे मैं जी
मैं इधर से दिखा दे रहा हूँ। ओके, ये देख लीजिए, ये मैडम का जो खुल गया इधर से, ये वर्कशीट मैडम बनाई थी। ओके,
सर कहाँ दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे, आप लिंक
नहीं
डाल
दिखा
सकते हैं?
आपको भी? ओके, दोबारा डालो।
आई एम सॉरी।
ओके, इज माय स्क्रीन विजिबल? जस्ट 1 minute please.
Yes.
Is the screen visible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Kavita. Is the screen visible now? Okay.
हाँ, अभी visible है, अभी
Okay.
visible है।
We have to match it with this 2. This I will bring it 3. This I will bring 1. Okay, 4.
ये आपने वर्ड वॉल में बनाया है?
Yeah. This will be 9. This will be.
सर वर्ड वॉल
सर यहाँ गलत अगर मैच करेंगे तो वो लेगा नहीं, आप एक बार गलत मैच करके देखिए।
हाँ, okay. And then submit the answer.
ओके सर, बस यही जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपने बनाया है कि पहले बनाया था?
ये कविता मैडम ने बनाया मैम, वर्ड वॉल में। क्रिएट एक्टिविटी में आप जाकर खुद का बना सकते हैं।
ओके, वेरी गुड, गुड अटेम्प्ट। ये भी जानना चाहूंगी कि जो वेबसाइट मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन में दी थी वो भी अगर आप लोगों ने एक्सप्लोर करी है कि नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसा दिख नहीं रहा कहीं भी कि आपने वो एक्सप्लोर। Okay, thank you. It was a good attempt, and I think we will move to the next one now.
Gwalior ready
Yes.
with?
A very good evening to everyone. I am Upendra Shukla from KV number 1 Riva, Jabalpur region. On behalf of JEET Gwalior, I am going to present today's assignment. So let us see what we have done during group work. So in this work, we have taken the topic, does it look the same, from the class 5th math. These are the objectives: knowledge about line symmetry, to know the mirror halves, the difference between symmetry and asymmetry, identify the alphabets and mathematical digits look the same after half turn. Here are the learning outcomes in this lesson. Observes and describes the simple geometrical patterns, identifies symmetrical mirror halves, images, and non-symmetrical shapes, alphabets, etc. Understands the clockwise and anti-clockwise half turn, 1/3 turn, and quarter turn. To recognize half and quarter turn of various images in surroundings. To draw half and quarter turn of given images. Then the role of the teacher, to motivate the children to observe half and quarter turn in their surroundings, to help children to visualize the concept with the use of multimedia resources, to access understanding of children through various modes such as oral questioning, written work, Google quiz, etc. So these are the role of teacher under this chapter. What students will be expected to do? Identify mirror halves images. Students will be able to identify the mirrors halves images. Identify the alphabets and mathematical digits look the same after half a turn. Identifies symmetrical mirror halves images and non-symmetrical shapes, alphabets, etc. Understands the clockwise and anti-clockwise turns. Able to solve the problems related to the symmetry. Here is the type of questions to be asked initially before starting the lesson. What do you think about these two images? Students will give the answer. Various type of the answers they will give. Are these images symmetrical or not? Can you see the water image in the first picture? After what turn the second image looks like same. So before starting the lesson, firstly we have to show the this type of picture and ask their curiosity, and after that we have to start the lesson. And in this lesson, when we are going to present the lesson, I have selected some multimedia resources, and one of the resource video which has been made by our member of this JEET Gwalior team, that is Mamta Sharma. She has made this video for this chapter and uploaded in the YouTube. So if you permit, I want to show this video to all of you. Ma'am, if you permit, I want to show. It is about 15 minutes video.
Okay. तो आप थोड़ा आगे कर करके साथ में डिस्क्रिप्शन देख के दिखा सकते हैं, बट पूरा 15 मिनट तो नहीं और आगे कर करके दिखा सकते हैं.
Okay, okay, okay. Is it visible, ma'am?
नहीं, अभी तक तो नहीं है.
Not opening, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. One minute.
सर लिंक डाल दीजिए चैट में, नहीं तो मैं देख.
Yes.
Hope you all are healthy and having good time. Children, in our last video, we discussed about symmetry. I hope you all must have understood that concept. Let's see what we have today for you all.
So थोड़ा आगे कर करके दिखा दीजिए.
There was a king.
Half a
He was
turn.
very upset about the regular stealing of jewels from his locker.
और आगे.
Every
next activity.
Children, you can see in this picture.
Actually, in this story, there was a story in that one of the king.
कि कैसे open होगा और कैसे lock होगा वो ताला. हाँ.
Yes.
This circle is 1/4, and again, if I take this 1/4, then this whole part, this from 1 to 3, this whole part. Children, see, I have made a cutout of the handle, what the king was having for his locker, and I kept it like this, and this blade is pointing towards the point 1. Now I'm going to give it a 1/4 turn. See how it is? When I start to move it like this, and this blade will reach to the point 2. It is yes. So what to do? Okay, did you remember the story? What his daughter said, 1/2 turn and see whether it makes a difference or not. See, after 1/4 turn, like this, this is the 1/4 turn, And now the lock is open, and we can see since this dot has come to the point 2. Now the position of this plate
शुक्ला सर,
has
मेरा
changed
क्वेश्चन
1,
है,
2.
क्या ये आज बनाया है कि पहले से बना हुआ है?
मैडम ने पहले बनाया है सर।
Now the door is
हाँ, तो आज आपने क्या क्या टूल्स यूज किया वो दिखाइए।
Okay, so this is the one of the video which I have taken from the YouTube.
नहीं, मैं एग्री किया, आई एग्री विथ यू। टुडे व्हाट यू हैव डन, यू सो इट टुडे।
Okay, okay, I am going to show.
डायरेक्टर सर इज आस्किंग, डज दिस मैच विद द टास्क असाइन्ड टू यू? आज आप मैडम ने बहुत सारे इंटरेक्टिव टूल आप लोगों को दिया, क्या आपने उनमें से यूज करके कुछ बनाया है क्या?
Yes, some of the videos are also I have collected from this. Here is the 2 more videos.
Sir,
One
open
is, yes, Vandana madam. Then after showing that video, we have two more videos we have collected from the YouTube and different resources, which if you permit, we can show. The next, after showing this video, after explaining the lesson, enhancing the knowledge, we have to ask some question from the students. Which of these can be divided into 2 mirror halves? Students will give the answer. Then we will clear the concept once again. What is the 1/4 of the turn of this any image? Then half turn. Then like that. For example, this is one of the ways how it will be how the image will be there after quarter turn, after half turn. Then we can show the image like that for clear the concept. Quarter turn, half turn, like that. Then we can ask the question from the students. Give half a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. Find which of them still looks the same. From 0 to 9 digits, they will find out which numbers will looks the same after half turn. Also, we can ask the 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. They will write and they will try to understand about the half turn. Then find out which letters in the English alphabet look the same after half a turn. So students will identify those letters from the alphabet like that. Then which of these English words read the same on half a turn? After that, we have to provide some words, and they will find out whether they are same after half turn or not. Like that. So this is the question, and after that, one of the evaluation game we have collected, and I want to show all of you. I want to share the link in the chat box also.
Thank you, sir. Time कितना बाकी है, हरमन sir?
Yes,
I want to show
time
this
is
game,
over.
ma'am.
ओके तो एक्चुअली मैं भी कुछ टाइम चाहती थी, क्योंकि मैंने आपको इतना सब डिफरेंट साइट्स वेबसाइट्स आपको दिखाया था और मैंने उसको आपको एक्सप्लोर भी करने को बोला था। तो ये देखिए, जब मैंने एक मिनट में आप सर प्रेजेंटेशन एक बार छोड़ेंगे मेरे को, मैं प्रेजेंट करना चाहूंगी। आई वुड लाइक टू प्रेजेंट। या ओके। सो क्योंकि दो टीम्स ने सिमेट्री पे ही काम किया है, इसलिए मैं, अगर आपने उन साइट्स पे जाके सर्च किया होता सिमेट्री डाल के, सिर्फ अगर इतना भी किया होता, तो वहां पे बहुत कुछ ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हैं जो आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते थे। और थोड़ा देखिए जो आपका भी ये नहीं कह रहे कि आपकी कोशिश अच्छी नहीं है, आपकी कोशिश बहुत अच्छी है, क्योंकि आपने इवन जो उनके सराउंडिंग में फोटोज हैं वो उस तरह के फोटोज भी लिए हैं, आपने एक्टिविटी भी करके दिखाया है, आपने अलग अलग चीजों को रोटेट करके भी दिखाया है, वो इंटरेस्टिंग जरूर है। बट कुछ मैं थोड़ा सा ये चाह रही थी कि थोड़े अलग तरीके से भी हम देखें। जब हमको डिजाइन करने का मौका मिला है, हमें टाइम है वर्कशॉप में, तो हम कुछ और नया भी करने के लिए कोशिश करें। तो ये देखिए, एनरिच पे जब आप टाइप करते हैं सिमेट्री, तो उसमें बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज आपको दिखाई देंगी, जिसमें से एक एक्टिविटी ये है। तो अगर आपको ये इमेज दिखाई दे रही है, क्या ये इमेज सिमेट्रिकल है या नहीं? यहाँ इसमें आपको कुछ सिमेट्री कहीं दिखाई दे रही है कि नहीं? और इसमें नीचे क्वेश्चन भी दे रखा है जो आप बच्चों से पूछ सकते हैं। डिड यू नोटिस एनी सिमेट्री इन द इमेज? डज दिस हेल्प यू टू इमेजिन हाउ द इमेज वाज मेड? कोई जवाब? अनम्यूट करके बोलना चाहेंगे, बिकॉज मैं चैट में नहीं देख पाऊंगी। आपको ये सिमेट्रिकल लग रहा है या नहीं? हाँ या नहीं में जवाब दीजिए।
यस मैम।
ओके, और कोई? ठीक है, तो अभी आप यहाँ नीचे देखिए, नीचे उन्होंने बकायदा ये दिखा रखा है कि किस तरह से ये सिमेट्रिकल है, किस तरह से ये शेप्स, कौन सी शेप को रोटेट करके बनाया गया है। और उसमें ये एक सिमेट्रिकल चीज जो आपको हमें हमेशा इंडिया में जरूर दिखाई देता है, वो है रंगोली पैटर्न्स। और रंगोली पैटर्न्स में हमेशा ही सिमेट्री बहुत होती है। तो आप यहाँ पे एनरिच में जाके अगर टाइप करते हैं सिमेट्री, आपको ये देखिए कितनी सारी एक्टिविटीज हैं यहाँ पे जो सिमेट्री से रिलेटेड है, जिसमें रंगोली भी है, फ्लैग्स भी हैं, नेशनल फ्लैग्स भी हैं, और भी बहुत कुछ है इसमें। देखिए कितने सारे हैं। तो ये अगर हम देखते हैं तो थोड़ा सा एक अलग आइडिया भी मिलता है कि जो हमारी एक्टिविटीज हम ज्यादातर करते रहते हैं उससे अलग भी क्या किया जा सकता है। और अगर हम इंटरएक्टिविटी की बात करें, तो जब मैंने जियोजेब्रा में जाके सिमेट्री टाइप किया, तो देखिए मुझे क्या मिला। सिर्फ ये मैंने जियोजेब्रा में जाके सर्च में सिमेट्री टाइप किया है और कुछ नहीं, खास तौर पर ढूंढा नहीं। देखिए इसमें यहाँ पे आप ये स्क्वायर, ये स्लाइडर उन्होंने ऑलरेडी बना रखा है। ये वाला, ये स्लाइडर को अगर आप घुमाएंगे तो इसमें आपको स्क्वायर की जो रोटेशनल सिमेट्री है वो दिखाई दे रही है। ये आप घुमाएंगे, ये देखिए यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं। तो ये जो इंटरैक्टिव ये ऐसी चीज है, ये ऐसा रिसोर्स है जिसमें बच्चा बाद में खुद जाके भी कुछ अपने हाथ से भी ट्राई कर सकता है। कुछ उनको जो टेक्स्ट बुक में दे रखा है या जो नॉर्मल चीजें हैं उससे थोड़ा सा और चैलेंजिंग भी कुछ सोचने को भी मिलता है। और एक ग्रुप के प्रेजेंटेशन में मैंने ये भी देखा था कि बहुत सारे जेपी शर्मा सर, आपका माइक अनम्यूट हो गया, कि उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस टेक्स्ट बुक में थे, जो फोटोज टेक्स्ट बुक में थे, उन्हीं का ही उन्होंने गूगल फॉर्म बनाया हुआ था। तो सर इस तरह का अगर क्वेश्चंस एग्जैक्टली सेम रहते हैं ना टेक्स्ट बुक के, तो बहुत प्रॉब्लमैटिक है वो, क्योंकि कई बच्चों को ऑलरेडी उसके आंसर पता होते हैं। तो हमें उससे ये नहीं पता चल पाता कि सच में बच्चों ने कुछ अपने आप से आंसर निकाला है, कुछ खोजा है, समझा है कि नहीं, या ऑलरेडी क्योंकि उनको आंसर पता है, वो एक आध बार उन किसी के साथ सॉल्व कर चुके हैं बड़ों के साथ, इसलिए वो आंसर दे रहे हैं। तो ये बस मैं कुछ थोड़ी चीजें शेयर करना चाहती थी। आई रियली अप्रिशिएट ऑल योर एफर्ट एंड आई रियली होप दैट यू can also bring yourself to do more challenging work also. I would really be happy to see that. आपका वीडियो ये सब बहुत अच्छा था। मैं चाहती हूँ कि थोड़ा सा और एफर्ट भी अगर आप करें तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा।
थैंक यू मैम।
नेक्स्ट मुंबई।
Good evening, all of you. Myself, Savita from ZEET Mumbai, Ahmedabad region. And I will represent ZEET Mumbai, the group work. And Dinesh sir will show the screen by presenting the presentation.
रुचि मैम आपका प्रेजेंटेशन निकाल दीजिए.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yes, ma'am. We have made the presentation on the basis of the worksheet that we have to submit in the folder only. That is the workshop on competency-based learning and the day 4 development of multimedia material by ZEET Mumbai. Next slide. Yes, our topic is time, and which is mostly the most important and the most basic, and it is from class 3rd we have selected. The anticipated students' difficulty and misconceptions in the time are the quarter parts and the conversion part. Mostly they feel difficulty because they don't understand the time between the hour hand and the minute hand combination. And the specific objectives that the resources addresses are the analog clock reading for e-learning and learning by trial and error method, which they will learn through the live worksheet. And the multimedia, we are using the interactive clock video and live worksheets, and the type of media will be audio visual. And we are using the online method, and the role of student will be to solve the worksheets live, and the role of the teacher will be to guide the student. And the ways and the follow-up work will be the students to redo the worksheets again and again until they do the correct one. And here are the link of the materials that we have used from the Joy Theatre that you have shared in the morning. And the first one is clock reading. In this, we can rotate any of the hands. Minute hand will show every minute, and the digital time that is showing in between. It also helps them to understand that within the moving of the minute hand, the time changes. And when it completes one round, another hour is passed, and 1 hour is complete, and the hour hand will change, and it will show that the time, how the time has changed from one digit to another digit. And also इसमें हम बच्चों को ये बता सकते हैं कि 5 का टेबल हम कैसे इसमें यूज कर रहे हैं, और सिमेट्री भी हम इसमें शो कर सकते हैं. एंगल्स भी अगर बड़े लेवल पे जाते हैं तो इसमें एंगल्स भी शो कर सकते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा टूल है जिसमें हम हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड है कि हम इसको मिनट हैंड को या आवर हैंड को कितना मूव करते हैं, और टाइम के साथ साथ इसमें मल्टी लेवल या मल्टी कंसेप्ट भी हम इसमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट वीडियो इज टाइम टेलिंग, अगेन फ्रॉम द टॉय थिएटर. इसमें हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं कि हम किस बेसिस पे चाहते हैं, आवर हैंड्स और द हाफ आवर, क्वार्टर आवर, 5 minutes and minutes. And which type of clock we are using is 12 hour or 24 hours, and the minute number shows or not. So we are starting from hour. जैसे ही हम उस पर क्लिक करते हैं वो किसी भी नंबर पे वो स्टॉप हो जाएगा, एंड द स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू सेलेक्ट दैट. वी विल आस्क द स्टूडेंट्स कि वो किस नंबर पे, मतलब टाइम क्या हुआ है क्लॉक में. 3, then cool, the answer is right, and it will again stop it anywhere and show the time. Select the time 4, and yeah.
मैडम एक बार गलत भी करके दिखाइए.
हाँ प्लीज.
देखिए जब भी आप कोई रिसोर्स चुनते हैं ना, उसमें गलती भी जरूर करके देखिएगा.
Yes ma'am. So it's showing what is the correct. Yeah, only 5.
तो बाकी गलत जो है वो गायब हो जाएंगे और सिर्फ जो सही है वो बाकी रह जाएगा.
हाँ जी. This way we can मतलब हम hour हो past half hour हो मतलब different हम इसमें topics ले सकते हैं. And after that a short video on AM and PM we have taken from the YouTube. So please play it or we'll just pass it. And on the basis of the videos there are live worksheets and the first one goes here. Now, on the basis of the first toy theater class, we have taken this, selected this worksheet, and here इसमें hour hand और minute hand की positioning exact दी हुई है, and इसमें हम place value भी दिखा सकते हैं, यानी कि in first clock में अगर वो 09 की जगह अगर सिर्फ 9 लिखता है, so it will be the incorrect answer. After submitting the response, it will show that it is incorrect. You have got this much marks, and then we will show that 9. Only 9 is on the 10th place, but if we are writing 09, it is on the 1st place. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम numbers 1 और 10, 1 to 12 use करें, तो it is the concept of 1 and 10 also in this worksheet. We can check the answers, and it will show which is correct and which is not. The red ones are the wrong ones and the green one is the only right one. And in the next worksheet,
I think मैम इतना एक वर्कशीट काफी है, बाकी लोग जाके देख सकते हैं, unless उसमें कुछ different है तो.
Yes, and these are on different topics.
Okay, okay.
Okay, we'll share it, and thank you so much. That's all from Deep Mumbai.
Yeah, no, but thank you. आपने at least उन websites पे जाके उनका इस्तेमाल करना तो करा इसमें. It was good to see it used. And इसमें सिर्फ एक चीज के बारे में मैं आपको सोचने को कहूंगी कि जब आप जैसे टॉय थिएटर का घड़ी भी आप यूज कर रहे हैं बच्चों के साथ, तो आप बच्चों को साथ उसको कैसे यूज करेंगे? क्या आप शुरू में डिजिटल टाइम दिखाएंगे, एनालॉग टाइम दिखाएंगे उसमें कि नहीं दिखाएंगे, या डिजिटल टाइम दिखाएंगे, या बाद में आप वो टाइम हटा देंगे वहां पे नंबर्स में जो दिख रहा है और सिर्फ घड़ी का करेंगे? इस तरह से थोड़ा वो क्या सीक्वेंस होगा वो सोच सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारी चीजों का आपको फ्रीडम दे रखा है कि आप ये छुपा सकते हो, वो छुपा सकते हो, तो वो डिसीजन आपको लेना है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Okay, thanks a lot. So we can move to the next group. Arman sir.
Yes. Which group? Mumbai has completed. Okay, Mysore.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. This presentation is from Mysore, ZF Mysore. I'll be starting and this support partner will take whole work done by the group. Okay, so we are starting with this 1 minute. Yes, presentation given by ZF Mysore. So the task was given us to find a lesson plan, activity for online lesson. All these things were there. So we are covering all the topics in order. So I will admit, sorry. Yeah, you are seeing a pattern here, and so our topic of the lesson is going to be class 3 mathematics playback pattern. So plan of the activities will be done through our lesson plan. Then multimedia resources what we have incorporated will be discussed and it will be showcased, and interactive worksheet will be displayed. So this is the order of our presentation. So first let me start with my lesson plan. Here where to see the pattern is the topic of the lesson, and here we are going to consider only the number pattern. And that pattern is to generate the pattern, and expected learning outcome is to able to make a grid and color the odd and even numbers. So this is our expected learning outcome of a day activity. Okay, so the learning objectives, we observe that while making a pattern, the children should observe, identify, discover, and create. So this is a cycle we make the children to observe, give this one, and they will be able to identify a number pattern and discover the rule. And they're able to create a new pattern by setting a rule. So based on this concept, we have developed the learning objectives. So then comes the introduction. We'll be introducing the lesson with a sing-song section, which you have downloaded from the YouTube. Then based on the pattern song, the teacher will be linking the concept with the prior knowledge. So here the students first offline, that is, we have been given significance and aspirant. According to that, in the offline, first the teacher will get them to know what they are going to learn by using the observe the pattern around them, grill of the window, print on the cloth, border on the saree. So they'll come to know. Then she'll make a grid on the board and show how to color and all those things. So post visual instructions on the board to support the student understanding about the concept they are going to learn will be taken place. So after that, according to the e-sources from proprietary and open educational resource, we took this first presentation, and this one from the mathematical learn. In our this one we have used a live worksheet, which is very useful. Today we learned and we have done it. And the madam what website she has given, from that we have taken this draw with mathematics of game, which this is what we have. We have taken the presentation, madam, and so these are the e-resources what we have used today, and further interactions will be taken place. Now over to Lata madam, how she has generated the game and how everything will be taken care by the Lata madam. Let me stop my presentation. My group Lata madam will take up the presentation further.
Sunny sir, please present, sir. Lata madam.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Power problem.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I'm going to play an online game which is related to number pattern game. जैसे कि लता मैम ने डिजाइन किया है पूरा, और ये जो वेबसाइट है मैथ प्लेग्राउंड, इस पे अवेलेबल है. मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ. कैसे खेलते हैं वो आपको.
So स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं किया शायद आपने. हाँ ठीक है, ओके आ रहा है.
ओके मैम. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's visible.
ओके. इंटरेक्टिव.
Yes, it is visible.
आपको तो दिया गया है.
Yes.
आप मेरे जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरे लेफ्ट साइड में 10 by 10 का ग्रिड दिया गया है, जिसमें 1 to 100 नंबर दिए गए हैं. दूसरी तरफ राइट साइड पर डिफरेंट कलर्स आप देख रहे हैं. तो इसमें बच्चे कैसे खेल सकते हैं डिफरेंट, आप देखेंगे इट कैन बी यूज फॉर टीचिंग इवन नंबर, ऑड नंबर और पैटर्न, और डिफरेंट नंबर्स मल्टीपल ऑफ 2, 3, 4 किसी का भी आप यूज करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने रेड कलर को चूज किया. आप स्किप करते हुए इस तरीके से अब डिफरेंट पैटर्न को दिखा सकते हैं.
सर फिर आप प्रश्न क्या पूछेंगे बच्चों से? What questions you will ask?
तो इसके अंदर आपको जो दिखाई दे रहा है कुछ डिफरेंट है, 1 by 2, 2, 3, 4 इस तरीके से आप, और क्या स्किप करके, कितने स्किप करके कलर हमें करना है बेसिकली, क्या डिफरेंट इसमें पैटर्न दिखाई दे रहा है.
हाँ, सो ये आप बच्चों से पूछ सकते हैं कि आपको इसमें क्या रेड जो टाइल्स हैं उसमें क्या पैटर्न दिखाई दे रहा है, और बच्चों से ही आंसर आने दें कि इसमें 2 ऐड हो रहे हैं, या दूसरी जो लाइन है जिसमें येलो टाइल्स हैं उसमें 3 ऐड हो रहा है, +3 का पैटर्न.
और नेक्स्ट मैम हम छोड़ सकते हैं कि बच्चा खुद बताएगा. बच्चे से पूछ सकते हैं कि नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा, नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा. तो बच्चा बेसिकली अब कोई भी कलर चूज करेगा यहाँ से और वो फिल कर सकता है.
Sunny sir, let me just interrupt, just add something to it. Madam, this can be played by 2 children. One child can type, color those numbers, that he can click on the colors and keeping in mind a rule, and the other child can identify what the rule is. This
That
also
would
can be done.
be even more interesting for the kids. Yes, it would be very.
Yes, madam. Yes, yes.
अगर ये बाद में आप बच्चों को अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ या उनके बड़े भाई बहन के साथ खेलने के लिए भी बोल सकते हैं, ताकि इसका वो प्रैक्टिस और भी कर
That would be really fun.
और बच्चों को ये खेलने में काफी मजा भी आएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
activity will actually make them identify the pattern plus create their own pattern. Both way this is useful, madam.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
this game will be played.
Hand
So
over to
actually,
Shubham.
the expected learning outcome also only about the 10 by 10 grid, madam. So based on this, the game was found out from the website what you are given. Yes, sir. The worksheet. Lata madam, will take up the worksheet or can I continue? Lata madam, please. Okay, madam. So actually, we have developed the live worksheet here, madam. That is what you have given. Once again, I'll take my. So once again, where is it on? Smriti, can you take the worksheet here? Yes, we have the live interactive worksheets. Once again. One minute, ma'am. I'm taking the worksheet. So this one, using the live worksheet we did, madam, about the patterns based on that. See, when complete the pattern with the following patterns. So here we are.
Ma'am, we cannot see. I would suggest you just paste the link in the chat. And I do not know if you have more time for this, Harman sir.
I present Sudha madam.
They have
You can present, I can paste it here, sir, once again. So this was just, if anybody can, I'll paste it in the chat. And if anyone can solve also, it's good, madam. I'll show you. Yes, Smriti, you can present it, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So in this, we have to type the answer, complete the following number patterns. So now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then next 12 and 14 and 16. So like this, you can carry on the whole, sorry.
We have
like,
done, carry
yeah,
on.
like this, we can carry on the whole thing. And below
Yes,
also,
we can see.
Yeah, below also we can carry on. Here actually you had to fill color, but we were just trying to do it. So we thought, okay, we will just write the numbers. So now 1-digit odd numbers we have to write in yellow. So here I put Y. And 12 is an even number, 2-digit even number. So I put R. So like this we do, and then we need to submit the, when we submit it, we get a immediate. Suppose I want to know my score, I can check my score also. I get my score. I did only 1 out of my percentage is like that. So 1 out of 10. So this is how we have used the live worksheets to a worksheet for so children can assess by themselves also, or else they can send it to our mail also. So this is what we developed today, madam.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
It was a very good presentation, and you did try out new things. And even I really love the way you thought about the number chart activity. That is really appreciated. So let's move on to the next group. Harman sir?
All groups are over, I think. Any group left?
Okay.
Over.
Madam, actually, Ruchim and Dr. Ruchim, I want to tell you, it was really today the section, no, it was good and we learned many things. Today, immediately after your class, we went and started learning that live worksheet. Yeah, it was so amazing, and each partner of our group was discussing and going and visiting the website. We were able to do only 3 or 4 which you are able to see, but later we'll use the link and we'll be using it. And we may trouble you later on for some other input also. Thank you so much.
No, it would not be a trouble. I really would love to give you inputs. Any inputs you require, please let me know. If there are any challenges that you face, please let me know.
Can you please send your mail ID here so that we can
I had shared, it's there on the first page of the presentation itself.
Okay,
the very
done.
first page of the presentation. ruchi.kumar@test.edu.